Welcome to a short video review of the Panasonic SC-HTB880. This is the company's top-line soundbar for 2014 and retails for around £600. The package comprises the main speaker bar and a separate wireless subwoofer unit. The ultra-low slung design of the main speaker means it should sit under your TV without getting in the way, as well as looking very attractive. Connections-wise, there are two HDMI inputs and one HDMI out for audio return channel. There's also a Toslink digital audio input and the option of Bluetooth for streaming audio from smartphone, tablet or PC. You get a smallish remote in the package too, which has some useful dedicated buttons and is easy enough to use. The menu system of the HTB880 is reported back through a small display panel, but owing to the nature of the design, it's difficult to see when you sat down. The package does sound really good however, particularly with music and multi-channel movie soundtracks. It's certainly one worthy of a demo, and therefore we give the Panasonic SC-HTB880 an AV Forums recommended award. You can read the full in-depth review at avforums.com/reviews. You can also follow us on Twitter, and you can like our Facebook page, and you can also subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching.